Hey there, science lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of science with fun and easy experiments you can try at home. Ever wondered if you could light up a bulb using just a potato? It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's totally possible. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to make a potato battery. This simple yet fascinating experiment will not only light up a bulb, but also light up your curiosity about how electricity works. Get ready to amaze your friends with this electrifying experiment. It's a perfect way to show off your science skills and have a blast while doing it. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You don't need much, and you might already have some of these items at home. You'll need a potato or two if you're feeling adventurous, a couple of galvanized nails, some copper coins, 3 alligator clip wires, and a small LED light bulb. These simple items will help us create a mini power plant right on your kitchen table. Got everything? Great. Let's dive in. This is where the fun begins. Start by taking your potato and cutting it in half if it's a big one. This will give us 2 halves to work with, doubling our chances of success. We need a good juicy potato for this to work. The moisture inside the potato is key to generating electricity. Now grab one of your galvanized nails and stick it into one half of the potato. This nail will act as one of our electrodes. Then take a copper coin and stick it into the same potato half, but not too close to the nail. The copper coin will serve as the other electrode. You want a bit of a gap between them. This separation is crucial for the flow of ions. Next, do the same thing with the other half of the potato. Repeat the process to ensure both halves are ready to generate power. Nail on one side, copper coin on the other. Awesome, we're halfway there. Your setup should now look like this. Alright, now for the fun part, connecting everything together. This is where we bring our potato battery to life. Take one alligator clip wire and attach one end to the galvanized nail in the first potato half. This will help us complete the circuit. Attach the other end to the copper coin in the second potato half. Easy, right? This connection is essential for the flow of electricity. Now grab a second alligator clip wire and connect the copper coin in the first potato half to the positive terminal of your LED light bulb. This will allow the current to flow into the bulb. Finally, use a third alligator clip wire to connect the galvanized nail in the second potato half to the negative terminal of the LED light bulb. This completes our circuit. Hold your breath and watch closely. This is the moment of truth. The LED bulb should light up. If it does, congratulations. You've just harnessed the power of a potato. Isn't that amazing? You've just created a simple circuit using a potato. So what's happening here? Let's break it down. The potato acts as an electrolyte and allows ions to flow between the zinc in the galvanized nail and the copper in the coin. This flow of ions is what generates the electric current. This movement of ions creates a small electric current that powers the LED bulb. Pretty cool, huh? It's a fantastic demonstration of basic electrochemistry. This experiment is a great way to learn about basic electrical circuits and the fascinating world of electrochemistry. It shows how chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. So, give it a try. Experiment with different fruits and vegetables to see which ones work best. You might be surprised by the results. Share your results with your friends, and maybe even impress your science teacher. This experiment is sure to spark some interesting conversations. And remember, science can be fun and full of surprises. Keep exploring and discovering new things. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more awesome science projects, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We have plenty more exciting experiments coming your way. Thanks for watching.